press the bell icon on our YouTube app and never miss another video from Spotboy.
Australia public is mighty upset with Kapil Sharma because Mr. Sharma changed the script and started the show late. So while you may have thought that Kapil Sharma had a great time in Australia before his mid-air fight in drunken state with Sunil Grover made headlines, the truth of the matter is that he has rubbed many shoulders in the wrong way in the land of the kangaroos. We hear it straight from Bhaskar Ratnam, who was the promoter of Kapil's show in Sydney and Melbourne. We asked him if Kapil and his team were disintegrated when he saw them in Australia. No, I don't think I saw any problems between them when they were in Australia. But I have read about the incident which happened on their return flight to Mumbai. From what I gather, Kapil started it all and behaved very badly. Then we went on to ask him about the response of shows in Sydney and Melbourne. They went off well, the public enjoyed the shows. We also heard that your show in Melbourne started off very late and the public was upset. Yes, the people were annoyed. Frankly, even the show in Sydney too got delayed, but there it wasn't Kapil's fault. What exactly happened in Melbourne? Kapil said that he got late because he had to change the script. Why didn't he have the right script? I don't know. Did you get any response from people in Australia after the news about his violent fracas with Sunil Grover broke out? They were naturally annoyed. They are writing to us saying, how can Kapil behave like this? Kapil is a good guy, but his behavior with Sunil Grover and his team en route back home was unacceptable. How long was the public kept waiting? 90 minutes. Kapil was supposed to start the proceedings at 7 p.m. but managed to do so only by 8:30 p.m. Was he drunk when he interacted with you in Australia? I don't know. You can smell alcohol. I wouldn't like to comment on that. Will you invite Kapil to Australia again? He is the best comedian today, which is why I called him to Australia. But yes, if I have to call him again, I will do that only after judging his market post his mid-air fight. Well, this is what the response has been on Kapil Sharma. Not only the fans in India, but also Kapil's fans from Australia seem to be annoyed with Kapil's latest.